Munchkins, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. If you're new, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Help me hit 100k soon because I will be doing a huge giveaway once we hit 100k. So that will be a win-win situation for both of us. And as I have been mentioning in my previous videos, most of my audience, they are not subscribed to my channel, which is very sad and demotivating. I'll add a screenshot right here so you know I am not lying. Please subscribe because I will really appreciate it. Alright, so in today's video, I will be sharing my nighttime skincare routine. You all have been asking for this video for so long and finally, here it is. So before I start, I want to cover a few things as in what is my skin type, how my skin has been behaving lately, and what are the few changes that I've made in my lifestyle. So I am normal to combination and my skin type has been like this, I'd say, pretty much my whole life. But lately I have been feeling a little too oily than usual, and I think it's because of monsoon and the amount of humidity present in the air, and that has been affecting my hair and skin. I have addressed this on my Instagram stories where I have shown that I am having crazy amount of hair fall, and that's totally normal, but it has also messed up my skin a lot. I'm having a lot of breakouts and a lot of unnecessary whiteheads. I'm pretty sure it's because of monsoon because I haven't changed anything in my lifestyle, and my skin should get back to normal once monsoon goes away. I've also stopped consuming dairy. I have switched to soy milk instead, and the reason why I did this because whenever I used to have my milk tea, I used to feel very bloated and uncomfortable. My stomach was very upset, and I also noticed that I was having a lot of unnecessary whiteheads and bumps on my forehead and on my cheek area, and that was very strange because in that particular time period I was not even trying out a new product. So I saw this one video on YouTube. I'll link it in the description box below, and that video really helped me understand the drawbacks of having cow milk. Let me know if you guys want me to do a dedicated video. I will be more than happy to do that, explain the drawbacks of having cow milk, how it can affect your health and your lifestyle, and also share my experience as well. So that would be very helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. So these were a few things that I wanted to share before I start with my routine. For the first step, I like to take off my makeup, and I personally like to double cleanse, and by that I mean that I first like to go with a cleansing oil. So what this will do is that it will break off any stubborn waterproof makeup like your mascara, your waterproof eyeliner, and even your long lasting lipsticks. No matter how good your face wash or cleanser is, the job that a cleansing oil will do, no cleanser or face wash can do it. And if you're someone who has just been using a face wash to remove your makeup, you know your mascara, eyeliner, or even your lipstick don't come off in one wash. A cleansing oil will make the process very easy. I like using these two. This one is the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Oil, and this one is the Klairs Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil. Another great option is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I'll add a picture right here, but it's a little expensive. You can literally go with any of these because these are wash off formula. By that I mean that even if there are few ingredients that might not be very good for the skin, they will not cause any damage or harm because you will eventually wash this off with water. If you are on a tight budget and you want an affordable option, a great alternative can be 100% coconut oil, because even if it has preservatives or essential oil, it is a big no-no because essential oils are not good for the skin. After that's done, the next step is face wash or cleansers. As I mentioned earlier, my skin is breaking out a lot lately, all thanks to climate change. So I will use something that is very mild on the skin, something that will not strip off any natural oils on the skin, because excess stripping of natural oils and the excess dryness can be a reason for developing acne. This is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash, and this one is the Klairs Rich Moist Foaming Cleansers. It is an amazing product for the price. It retails for 325 rupees, and the ingredient list is very simple and to to the point, and I do switch between these two depending on my mood. Today I will be using my simple refreshing facial wash with my Foreo Luna Mini 2. This device will cleanse and exfoliate my face at the same time because this device produces different vibrations with different intensities. If you want to see a full review, I'll link it in the description box below. Always keep a separate towel for your face. Never use the one that you keep in your washroom to dry out your hands because that's very unhygienic and you can easily develop bacteria on your face. This is real skin, real struggle, you guys. I don't have flawless skin. As you can see, I'm having a lot of redness on this area. I'm breaking out here and a lot of bumps on my forehead. So just don't think that I have flawless looking skin. To make sure that I don't even have a single bit of makeup, I like to go ahead and use a very mild micellar water. This one is from Simple. By the way, this is not sponsored by any brand, especially Simple, so this is non-sponsored. This one is the Simple Micellar Cleansing Water, and this one is the Just Herbs Sapta Gel Ayurvedic Micellar Water. These both are very mild. If you want to go with something which is natural, you can totally go with the Just Herbs one because this is 99.2% natural, and the Simple one, again, it's simple, it has to be good. But today I will be using the Just Herbs Sapta Gel, and I'll pour some on my cotton pad and swipe it across my face very gently just to make sure that I don't have any makeup left. Go under your jawline, the back of your ear, and also on your neck. I still see a little bit of makeup coming off. Just imagine if I would have let this dirt sit on my face, that would have been a disaster. That would have definitely caused acne. I have recently started doing this where I take 2 ice cubes on a tissue, wrap it, and apply it all over my face. There are so many benefits of using an ice cube. First, it will depuff your face and even your under eyes. If you have dark circles and fine lines, it will help you with that. Also help in firming up your skin, so that is great. Help in calming down any inflammation like acne. And if you have acne, an ice cube will take off any excess oil, and the list goes on. So if you want to know more about this, I'll link the website in the description box below. For toner, I like to use the Pixi Glow Tonic because this has glycolic acid in it, and glycolic acid is an amazing ingredient. It will dissolve any dead skin cells on your skin, will renew glowing skin. But today I will skip this because I used this yesterday and I don't like using glycolic acid every single day. If you're looking for a very good toner, definitely give this a try. For my moisturizer, I like to use the Face Shop Mango Seed Lotion. This has ceramide in it. So I'll take about 2 pumps of this, and with that I like to mix 2 drops of my Klairs Vitamin C Serum. Mix it well and apply it all over my face and neck as well. One more reason why I'm not using glycolic toner today, because glycolic toner and salicylic acid don't work well with vitamin C. So always make sure never mix your salicylic or glycolic acid with your vitamin C products. And lastly, before I go to bed, this is something that I have been doing. I like to take a little bit of homemade ghee and apply it on my navel. Ask your mom, nani or dadi about the benefits of using ghee on your navel, and they will definitely tell you what are the amazing advantages. But to name a few, ghee will nourish your skin and nourish your body from within. It will give you a glowing looking skin, and even if you have very chapped lips, this will solve your problem. So that's it for my nighttime skincare routine, you guys. Please pray that my skin heals and gets better soon. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I tried to keep this video as informative as possible. But still, if you have any queries, let me know in the comments down below. I would be more than happy to help you all. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed, and also follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Mwah.